Hey folks, hey superstars, this is Wesley, billion dollar virgin. In this video here, I'm going to show you how these people are making money online instantly, okay? Listen, I'm going to show you right now, undeniable proof how where you are right now in your life, I know, broke and busted, right? How to make money online instantly. And we're talking about like in this moment here, okay? All I ask you to do is this, okay? Show me some love, smash the like button, and comment below, I can do this. If you don't believe that you can do this from where you are, you could be a teenager in your 20s, 30s, 40s, you could be pissed off as an individual. But if you don't believe that you can actually grab your computer or laptop right now or iPhone and do this, then you'll never make money. Look, this person, listen, I'm going to be very transparent. This is not my technique. I got it from one of my affiliates. What you're looking at are affiliates of people that are making money over and over again. This is not me. These are people who are brand new just like you that took a leap of faith and they followed the video just like this, okay? And they're making money. But this person right here, well, they're making money. They did $8,000 last month and they did this. They said, Wesley, he's 23, right? He's not spending a dime on ads, but he's using two things, YouTube and a bot, okay? And I'm going to give you the bot. I'm going to give you everything for free in this video here. Smash the like button and say hallelujah. And I said, man, can I share this with my community? Because my community needs to make money. They don't have a lot of money, and they want to leave their jobs. They want to travel the world, and they want Versace wallpaper like Wesley Virgin, right? So they can get the Versace wallpaper. I need you to tell me what you're doing here. So listen, this is what he told me. This is his words. He said, Wesley, I love your content. I love your videos. And I like what you say, that service leads to greatness. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to service you. Just give it to everybody else so they can do it as well. Okay. Listen, you're not going to make $1 million, but I think $8,000 to $10,000 per month using this free technique, using this bot with YouTube, you'll make a ton of money. First step, let's get right into it. Go to youtube.com. Remember, sub to your boy. I mean, you see me, I'm constipated right here. I mean, give your boy some likes so I can be able to get a laxative to take care of the constipation that you see in this video here. Let's get it! Listen, all right, look, you go to youtube.com. First step. That's the first step. Easy, right? The next step is this. You type in Genie Script Review, okay? Genie Script Review, okay? You see this right here? Now, many of you know right now, I do offer a product that people invest in every single day, which is called a Genie Script. It's a meditation program where I teach people how to manifest anything. It doesn't matter, whatever you want. I teach people how to strategically use their minds, that big head of yours, to manifest what you want. Which means if you have a job right now, you want a business, you can do it. If you have a Hyundai and you want a Lamborghini, I can show you exactly how to get any physical thing on the planet. It's proven over and over again, okay? But listen, people right now on YouTube, they're typing in Genie Script Review, okay? Now, you may be saying, well, Wesley, how do we know that people are actually typing those words in Google or YouTube, right? Because in this video, I'm going to show you how to hack the YouTube algorithm so you can use it for yourself. Here's the bot. I'm not going to waste your time here. vidiq.com. Just go there. It is free and it does have a paid service, but don't spend any money because it's free, okay? So, but what you do is this. You go to keywords, and this is how all the big creators do it. Go ahead and smash the like button because Wesley, you say, Wesley, I just love you because you're giving all these jewels for free and you can charge people. But I'm giving you the game because I want you to be able to play the game so you can have more money so you can leave the 9-to-5 grind, okay? Look, if I type in Genie Script Review, like every YouTuber's Paul, Logan Paul, Jake Paul, all those people that are big, like Mr. Beast, this is what they do, okay? Genie Script Review, okay? We type that in. As you can see, Genie Script is being searched. Look, 14,000 times, and the competition is very low. So what does that mean to you? That means that you, man or woman, can dominate this work right now and make money online instantly if you do it right. It's very low. That's 500 people every single day. Well, check it out. This guy right here, he's doing like $5 $5,000 per month on autopilot. Well, because he's doing exactly what I'm doing in this video here, okay? Many people are doing this, and now you can get a piece of the pie, because guess what? No, there's not that many people that's doing it here. It's like 10, right? But listen, if you just listen, hold on. I'm talking too fast. Let me slow down. Look, this is what you do. You're going to watch this. You're going to watch this guy's video, okay? Watch it. And all you're going to do is duplicate the video. So you're going to do a review on the Genie Script product here, okay? That's all you're going to do. Because this guy's video gets views every single day. He's up 3,300 views on this video here, okay? And as you can see here in the description here, listen, in the description here, you put in your affiliate link. Now, I know what you're thinking, Wesley, where do I get the affiliate link so I can make money like this? Check it out. You go to digitstore24.com, okay? Go to register now, get a free account. Let me tell you why, because Digistore is the people that's going to pay you, okay? If you want to get paid, smash the like button. These are the people that pay you, all right? Now, check this out. You go to Marketplace. I'm going to make this super simple because I know some of you are slow. I used to be slow too. Well, maybe I'm still slow. But if you're slow, you can understand this, okay? Because I explain it like I'm talking to a third grader, okay? Look, you see here? That's the product, the Genie Script, which is my product. We're number 2 in the world, okay? Not in U.S., in the world, okay? All that means this, that people, as you can see here, are making money. These are affiliates, right? I have pages of people that are making money over and over again, okay? So that's why the product is number 2. All you need to do, once you have a free account, you go to Promote Now. When you click Promote Now, you're going to see what is called an affiliate link, okay? Are you with me here? Then, once you record your video, you don't even have to show your face, by the way. You can just be talking and doing a screen share just like this guy. Just go to loom.com. It's free, okay? Loom.com, right? It's free. And you record a video giving me a review, right, on the actual product. And then you just model what this guy put here, okay? The Genie Script review, Wesley Virgin, no one else is telling you this. Or no one knows this. Do this before you buy it. Does that make sense? Now, I'm going to show you how to rank the video. Smash the like button if you're with me so far. I'm going to show you how to hack the YouTube algorithm so you can leave the 9-to-5 job and leave that life of misery. If you're not making 100 grand per year, you need to quit your job today. That's insane, right? Because making money on the internet instantly is not hard at all. It's really simple, but you must take massive action. Check it out. Okay, you see this? It's vidIQ, right? Copy and paste this guy's video. And you want to make sure you get vidIQ and you want to add the ad in, okay? You can get that from Google. It's very free to use. It's simple. Then what you do is you type into YouTube. You got to use Chrome, by the way, okay? Got to use Chrome. Okay? And as you can see here, I get all the stats from this guy's video because, look, this guy's #1 based off when people search. So if you want to be #1, all you have to do is this. Sounds crazy, but it works. Copy all his video tags. You see that? He's #1. He's like #1 on so many key terms for Wesley Virgin. Well, because it's just no competition. No one's doing it. But you're going to do it today, okay? And here are the channel tags. So when you create your YouTube channel, okay, you're just going to add these channel tags and the video tags to your video that you're going to upload today. Does that make sense? Are you with me so far? Smash the like button, guys. I can't hear you. I can smell you, but I can't hear you, okay? So listen. Once you upload the video, okay, then all you need to do is go to Facebook.com, okay? Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, it doesn't matter. And you're going to copy and paste your YouTube video that you just posted, okay? And you're going to type these words. You're going to type these words. Check it out. Number one way, listen, to manifest your dreams fast. You see that? That's all you got to do, and post it on your Facebook page right now. Because what you need to do is you need to get some traffic to it. When YouTube starts to see traffic, and based off the ranking, because the competition is so low, then you just start ranking, okay? You'll start ranking automatically. And guess what? You'll do it tomorrow and do it the next day. You keep doing it every single day, because that's how you're going to hack the algorithm. Does that make sense? And the competition, like I just showed you, is very low, which means is every one of you right now have an opportunity to make money, just like this guy. He's doing let me find that guy. He's making $8,000 per month doing this, okay? Now, how many of you believe that you could do this right now, okay? How many of you can do this right now? Listen, believe in yourself. Don't listen to naysayers. Don't listen to all the people like, oh, you scam. Don't listen to these people. They're just negative, piss poor people. Put yourself in your mind in a zone of positivity. Trust me, positivity always wins. Okay, and then one day you have a view like this from your bedroom. Hey, I love you so much. This is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. Remember to sub to the channel. Smash the like button if you got any value. Watch the video over and over again until you get it. And trust me, you will. Much love. Leg out.